The sound of rain falling on a neglected rooftop is a reminder of the earth's perfect apathy. It falls on our grandest palaces and our deepest graves with the same indifferent rhythm. Water, the source of all life, is also the agent of decay, patiently dissolving our foundations, returning everything to fluid dust. The earth is cleaning itself, preparing for its next billion-year chapter. We are meant to be observers, not owners. The profound beauty of the rain is in its neutrality. It offers cleansing and dissolution, a perfect metaphor for the cycles of birth and ultimate erasure.